Chocolate Milk for Danny by Dina C. Bonau. Almira, please go with your brother to the market and buy a loaf of bread for merienda, Mother said.
Ate, please buy me that chocolate milk,
He said.
We need to buy the bread first,
Whispered Almira. She held the hand of her brother as they walked to the store. Finally, they bought the bread.
Ate, may I have my chocolate milk now?
Said Danny. Ask, will Danny be able to enjoy the chocolate milk?
Sure, I still have my change here.
They walked home while Danny enjoyed the chocolate milk. Were you able to buy the bread? Asked Mother. Ask, where did Almira get the money to buy the chocolate milk? Will Almira be honest in telling the truth about the change?
Yes, Mother,
replied Almira.
but I'm sorry, I don't have the exact change. I bought chocolate milk for Danny without asking your permission.
Ask, how will Mother respond to Almira's remark about the change? I'm proud of you for telling the truth. I know how much you want your little brother to be happy, Mother said as she patted Almira's shoulder.